Good day YouTube, good day RC fans. How's everybody doing today? I'm gonna do another video unboxing. This one is gonna be from a very known company out there. Primarily they distribute from Amazon. It's DEERC. I have been lucky enough to get my hands on a 1/14 scale model. Specifically, it's the 1215. This is the one you may have been seeing it out there. It's called the Panther. Some have touted it as a little pocket rocket because of its size, and I believe that you can. It is 3S capable as well, but even out of the box, it's quite quick. So like I said, I was lucky enough. For some reason, couldn't get it through Amazon.ca, so I had to order it through .com, but for quite a few favors, I was able to get it over here across the border. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the unboxing, of course. So it comes in kind of this see-through kind of case, so a little bit different. Of course, the owner's manual is right over here, and everything's in here in regards to parts list, how to set it up, and everything else that the beginners may need to get started. Okay. And then, of course, we have our controller. Never seen one of these ones before, so that's the controller it comes with. That's the top of it. You guys can see what it's all about. Feels good in the hand, of course. It's a full-size controller, so you can still reach it a little bit, but it does have a phone grip. Of course, double A's go on the bottom. It's kind of like a nice slimline kind of look to it. So yeah, it is. It's a sleek controller. I mean, it does the job, right? Put it over here. So then, of course, cautions of battery. So a little pamphlet over here. Okay, so underneath the card, let me just take everything out. Okay. Okay, it looks like we have modular batteries. Okay, which is becoming more and more commonplace these days. But first, in the box, we have, of course, okay, we got a screwdriver in the box, and we got some extra body clips, a hex wrench in the box, just a standard USB 2S charger. Okay, got a little wheelie bar. Okay, so that attaches to the car itself. Put this aside. As I mentioned, modular batteries, they're becoming more and more commonplace with RCs. They still retain. Oh, okay, so there's actually a light on right here. And I think when you touch it or something, I'm not sure how it turned on, but anyway, the light turned on. It was on a second ago. Oh, there we go. So you push the button and it tells you, there's like a little LED meter about, you know, how much juice is in there. In this case, it's approximately 50%. So as you charge it up, of course, all the dots, where are we here? All the dots all four would light up. So yeah, that's definitely different. Of course, we got our Dean's connector here at the back. And the nice thing is it comes with two batteries. So once one is out, then of course you can go into the other. And this is the little beast itself. So this is called the Panther. It's got nice square profile tires, non-oil filled. Shocks are, yeah, like I said, non-oil filled, and the tires do not come with foam in them, but you can easily take them out, or you can leave it. I do notice that the tires do come in contact with the body a little bit at the front, but more so in the rear. So it's just a matter of finding the right tire that'll clear that, or if you're okay with that, you'll get some tire rub, which will be a pity because the graphics are quite nice, as you can see. But anyway, yeah, that's just a matter of finding the right tire that fits. That I'll just go with this one, but that's not very difficult. Okay, like I said, non-oil filled shocks, so they would have to be replaced if you deem fit. We have a CVD setup up front. Okay, and in the rear we have a dog bone setup, but the dog bone thickness are quite large, front and rear. So I'm thinking that this, I believe the amp is rated at 35 amps, I think. I don't see why you couldn't run a 3S through this. maybe even a low discharge 3S. Um, Anyways, wanted to show you here. So that's what the insides look like. Okay, so everything's kind of covered up on this brushless motor. There is a little heat sink sort of incorporated into the plastic mold that goes over top the motor, and the plastic mold itself is kind of finned as well to let some air in. So we have a 2-in-1 brushless ESC, as you can see right here. Steering servo is obviously right over here. It just plugs right in, as you can see. Little antennas right over here. And of course, the LED lighting system is up front here, and it just plugs into into the channels right over here. Okay. What else? So we also have some LED lights underneath. So I believe they glow blue, purple, orange, or I'm not exactly what the color scheme is, but they do glow. So you can definitely change it on the remote. I'm thinking that's usually what it would be. I'm gonna have to look into it. But I do see a button here. It says chassis lights, right where my finger is right here. So you toggle that button and it should go through all the modes underneath. So it'll give you quite the experience driving at night. So you can easily see it front or from the back because of the LED lights underneath. The back doesn't have any LEDs, but with this many lights, I don't really think you need any more than what it has already, especially for a small scale RC such as this one. This one, yeah, definitely 1/14. Okay, it's a bit bigger than a 1/16. But it's basically, fully loaded. All you would have to do really is just plug in the modular battery once it's charged up, of course, and put in some AA's in the charger, and you're off to the races. So I guess this is the conclusion of the DRC 1215 1/14 scale four-wheel drive monster truck, code named the Panther. So if you guys have any questions about this particular RC or any of the other ones in my fleet, please leave a comment below. I'll answer any questions that you guys may have. All right, have a good day. Bye.